Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I have the Philips headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the batteries in these headphones. At first we have to search for this switch over here, this thingy over here, and now we have to pull it to here. Here, as you can see, we have our plastic thingy coming off. Let's take that apart. And as you can see, here we have two batteries. I can just take this from here and place another one here. As you can see, here is the minus, here is the plus, and here is the opposite. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.